How to use Creator Studio for YouTube. Start your video ads, advertise with YouTube. YouTube video ads. Reach the people who matter to you. Start your YouTube video campaign on Google Ads. Making a video ads, YouTube ads for agencies. Running a video ad. Resource success stories. To access the YouTube Studio, select your profile picture in the top right corner of any YouTube page. Then select YouTube Studio. The YouTube Studio is currently in beta mode, so the interface may change at some point in the future. The YouTube Studio may feel a little overwhelming at first. YouTube, the Creator Studio and Video Manager GFC Global. How do you use YouTube Studio step by step? In YouTube Creator Studio and YouTube Studio same. How do I use Creator Studio Classic on YouTube? Where is the Creator Studio button on YouTube? Some videos here. How to use YouTube Studio step by step tutorial. This is the second video. How to access the Creator Studio in YouTube 2021. How anyone can still access the classic YouTube. How to use the new YouTube Studio. Navigate YouTube Studio Google Support. Open YouTube Studio, sign in YouTube Studio. In the top right, select your profile picture, select your YouTube Studio. Please subscribe my channel for more info.